Hello paper lovers, welcome by a new YouTube video for Bramble Fox. It's Josephine here with another process video that I made for Bramble Fox, and I'm using my We Are Keeping memory punches, flower punches, and these beautiful leaves from the Bramble Fox metal dies, and of course the perspectives on my layout that I want to use for this page. But first, explain a little bit how I colored my flowers. So I cut these flowers out with my memory keeping punches, and I colored the flowers with distress oxide, and the color that I use are the ebony donut coral, the worn lipstick, the pickled raspberry, and the kitsch flamingo. And these colors I use to color my distress oxide, to color my flowers with the distress oxide. And when I made some splatters on the distress oxide, and I leave them for a few seconds, and I pick them up with some kitchen towel. You see beautiful water spots on my flowers, and I do this the same technique I do it with the leaves that I colored with the color distress oxide mode lawn. And this cute little flower that I punched out with the We Are Memory Keeping punches from aquarelle paper. I colored these with the Distress Oxide, Kitsch Flamingo, and Picked Raspberry. And I love how you can blend these beautiful colors with each other by using a blending tool. And I'm very happy how that turns out. So for the center, I used to color spice marmalade from the distillers oxide. Here in my video you see the mustard seeds, but at the end I choose for the spice marmalade for a more tropical vibe. And I blend this also with my blending tool. So now it's time to place all the flowers on my scrapbook layout, and I draw a circle with a pencil in the center of my scrapbook layout, and I place all the flowers in a circle on this page by using some edge-shave tape. Just look how all these gorgeous flowers in a circle on my scrapbook layout is just gorgeous, and I'm so happy how this turned out. And now it's time to place my photo on top of these gorgeous flowers. I cut some design paper from the Pink Fresh collection Happy Blooms to size and put this design paper behind the photo, and I'm using 3D foam to place my photo on top of these gorgeous paper flowers. So I decided to place my picture from me and my husband in the center of this scrapbook page on top of these beautiful, gorgeous paper flowers, and I want to use Perspectives Getaway. This title, Perspectives title Getaway, is just perfect for this photo, and the colors of the flowers and these perspectives are a great match. So here I place a little bit of more flowers on top of the other flowers, so in this way I create more dimension in my flowers. So I want to look like it is a big bouquet on my scrapbook layout. I adore these tropical leaves, perspective leaves from the Bramble Fox, and I definitely want to use these tropical leaves on this page in combination with a little flamingo. And here I play a little bit with the die cut from flower die cut from the Happy Blooms collection, and I think it's perfect here on the left side of the photo in combination with the tropical leaves and a cute little flamingo. So here I use a glossy accent to glue my perspectives on my scrapbook layout, and glossy accents help my perspectives perfect in place. And my for my photo I use a 3D foam, and I put my photo on top of these gorgeous flowers, and the cute little flamingo I glued them also with the glossy accent and put it on top of my photo. So here I glue all the little detail flowers on top of the big big flowers that I already placed on my layout, and I crew a little bit I grew a little bit of the petals of the little flower from the little flowers, so I create more dimension in my scrapbook layout and in these gorgeous flower bouquet that I'm creating on this layout. And these leaves are from the metal die set from the Bramble Fox die set number 4, and I colored these leaves with the Distress Oxide colored mold lawn. And here I'm a little bit busy to place the center of these flowers that are colored with a light orange Distress Oxide married gold. Here I place the Holy Moly perspectives in the center of these flowers, and I love the Holy Moly circles, and definitely a great fit for in the center of this flower bouquet. And I grabbed some word strips and stickers from the Pink Fresh collection, and I want to and just want to give them a spot on this layout. And here I'm a little bit busy with more to add more leaves, and of course the Getaway title. So now it's time to decorate my page further with leaves, the perspectives, and the word strips and die cuts. I cut a word strip from the design papers from the Happy Bloom collection and ruffled the edges with my distress etcher. You can use your scissor as well. This says on the word strip says grateful for this moment, and I put another word strip on top of my photo, and I just definitely want to use these cute little flip-flops, these pink flip-flops in combination with the light pink tag with the words love this. So again, I'm a little bit busy with all my paper flowers, and I'm so happy it's how it turned out. Sometimes you have something in mind, and yes, when it turned out so well, you can definitely happy with it. So I struggle a little bit with the leaves, and I place the different leaves between all these gorgeous pink flowers. I fussy cut some butterflies from the design papers, rough the edges, and I give these butterflies a spot on this layout. And these butterflies are just look just gorgeous on top of these pink flowers. So these white light pink butterflies are the perfect fit, and just look at these butterflies, just so romantic, just like the picture, and it definitely fits in the scene. So yes, I'm very happy with these gorgeous butterflies from the Pink Fresh Happy Bloom collection. And of course, don't forget to splatter around with the white acrylic paint or the gesso that you can mix with a little bit of water and just splatter around by using your brush. And it gives just a great and festive look on your scrapbook layouts. So most of the time I make white splatters on my scrapbook pages. So I decided to make some more colored splatters on this layout. I used the Distress Oxide Worn lipstick, and I mix it with a little bit of water and splatter a little bit around on top of these flowers. So, and that's it. I hope I was able to inspire you with this layout. And don't forget to check the Facebook group of the Bramble Fox for more beautiful inspiration. And of course, I want to thank you for watching this video and stop by on YouTube. And I hope to see you next time with another process video using the beautiful Bramble Fox perspectives. For now, wish you a beautiful and crafty day and see you next time. Bye bye.